Hi everyone. I will not waste your time. Okay, I'm going to talk especially about the pain points in a life of engineer on a day-to-day basis, which is going on. Okay, at current pace, what the developments is going on GenAI world and the adoption of GenAI based tools. Okay, especially the Claude Code, Anti-Gravity, Codex. All these tools are making us super productive. But on the other hand, we have other pain points that pain point I'm going to share you. Okay, so back when I was given the access to Claude Code and Anti-Gravity, so it was very fun to start working using these tools. Okay, so I became so blind that every task, everything, I was just saying that, hey Claude, can you do it? Even the virtual environment, you will not believe, we are only not, this is not with me only, my friends and anyone who is getting the free access. Okay, they are just blindly creating anything, just giving access to Claude. Okay, that Claude agent is giving us a plan and then we are just saying that, okay, just execute it, isn't it? So the execution part is very good when we are beginners and we just want to see, since I was also very excited to see how it is working under the hood, how it is carrying out the task. So that at that time it was looking super cool. Okay, but slowly I understood that this is not good way. Okay, the approach we are using, it is not a good, first of all. So I can say we are becoming more lazy while using this Claude Code and Cursor and all these programming tools. Okay, so I will advise you to work on this, to only do that task which are really required to be done by Claude agents. Okay, the task which you are able to do, please do by yourself only. This is the point number one. Second point is that token consumption. So I think in coming future this will become an art. The guy who will save the token, okay, he will become a master. Okay, and he will be recognized in the industry. This will be a top skill. This will become a top skill. The guy who can work within less tokens, make it happen, make it their work by consumption of less tokens, that guy will be respected in the industry, first of all. Okay, this is the second thing I noticed, and that's why I'm sharing these things. Whatever I'm saying, it is just my experience and observation. Okay, so I want to share this. So two things I just told you. Now third thing is the actual pain point. Okay, suppose our manager is coming and he's giving us a task. Okay, he's saying that, okay, hey, do this task. They are asking us estimation. So previously what happened, that they were asking estimation that how many days it will take. Now that totally shifted. Okay, with the advent of these tools, they are saying that, hey, use the AI and make it faster. So they are asking, please provide in hours, not in days. So you see, the aspect has changed so much. It drastically changed. So this is, I think, here engineers are getting a pressure from the management, first of all. Okay, they are expecting the work to be done faster, and because of that, even this is in my case also, because of that we are not thinking about the designs, all the thinkings, like we should take suggestions from other also in the team, designing a document, nothing else. We are just saying to Claude, hey, can you do this task? It is giving its plan and we are just okay with the plan, isn't it? Because it's not the problem of engineer. Because of the pressure, these guys are trying to make it faster, ship it faster. So this is the one problem I want to share, that managers or upper manager must understand that, do not give this pressure, first of all, because by shipping faster, it doesn't mean that it will not break in the production. And I see about 95% of cases where this is going to be, and it will be breaking in the production. Okay, so this is the third point, that the pressure thing is very bad. Because of that, this is there are two losses in this. What is the first loss? Is that this is engineers who in reality might be trying to make the quality code. Because of the time constant, they are just giving up their hands. Okay, no problem, I will use AI anyhow to ship it, because that's the deadline they have. And second is the ultimate code which is produced and shipped, that will if that will break, then they will ask the QA teams, okay, how did you not catch the error, all these things. So QA teams also having so much of work to do, because code generation is now very fast, isn't it? code generation is very fast. Now testing part, if you are not testing it properly, the QA team will be hanged. This is my observation. Okay, so this must be also be kept in mind, that people must be giving some time and space. Okay, if you are generating the code, then you must take some time to review it properly. See, I am not saying that all of you must be doing, but I'm saying that there are some people who are doing very lazily. Okay, nothing, no accountability, just creating the code, shipping it. If they are making the app work, if they are saying the app is working, and no problem, then they are not even reading the code, not even going through the files. This was my case also. Then I observed this thing, then I started improving myself, because this will lead to very bad practices in your life, and this will not be a good sign for you. Okay, you will also lose all knowledge you have gained. Slowly it will be erased from your mind. Okay, so most important thing is to charge your mind, learn daily by daily, and try to write the codes which you know properly. Okay, some part of the code must be written by you on daily basis, so as to that you must be experienced in writing some part of the code properly. For example, if something happened and you are not able to debug, then that will create a problem. Okay, so one case I am telling you, suppose you have exhausted all the API quota, okay, from your platform, if you are using anti-gravity or Cloud Code, then, and if you are now a lazy engineer now, okay, you have not touched code from many days and not seen what all the changes it has done, and then suddenly you are asked to do some changes because this is the deadline. Okay, what you will do? You will not have a great time to make all those changes. You will suffer a lot. Okay, so I'm just warning you that please be very careful. Okay, this will make your reputation also go bad in the workplace. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, for example, if you are working on a project, okay, and that project requires the use of a deterministic approach, or that part doesn't require any hook of knowledge or integration of AIs, okay, then also management are making a pressure that, hey, anyhow you integrate the AI into the system. What the hell, man? How we can integrate any system anyhow? Okay, if that, for example, I was given a project, okay, where the flow was very simple and the steps were like sequential steps, and it does by basic calculation and rules you can progress in each step. Okay, but then also they said that, hey, make this agentic, they make this flow agentic. When I researched on that flow, then I told them, hey, this is already in perfect state, this doesn't need to be agentified, because there is no step which needs agentification. What they said, no, clients need to see the agentification of this flow. How the hell is this management is thinking? They should think properly. At least whatever the need of the client is, they should also make sure that client understand where the use of LLM is necessary, agents are necessary, and where not. So these are some things which management should also take advice from architectures or whoever who knows a lot about these things, where to apply, where to not. Assessment must be very thorough. Okay, just integrating anything in any flow is not enough, first of all. So this is all the things I wanted to convey. Okay, more things are going to come. Okay, so these things I just observed and wanted to share with you. Next video I will be giving some more updates. Okay, whatever I will observe, I will provide it to you. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for same kind of updates. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.